How do you sign in with a specific Gmail on the iPad? Well, let me show you how it works. And if you're new here, most definitely subscribe to the Foxtecc channel so that way you'll never miss anything important. So, of course, if you want to sign in with a Gmail, you have to decide where you want to sign in, right? Some people want to use Gmail account for syncing contacts, some people for the email, but if you want to use it through the built-in Mail app, the blue icon from Apple, you have to open up the settings where you tap on apps and at the bottom and look up the Mail in all of the apps right here. And you can click on accounts and you can just add a new one. So you can literally choose it from the list, click on Google, and you'll be able to sign in with any Gmail account and you'll be able to use it within the Apple Mail app. As I said, you might as well just log into your calendar or contacts because those apps also have the very same interface where you can as well just sign in with your Google account as such, and it's going to allow you to sync all of the data from that account. So it's going to work well, right? It just depends on where you want to add it. There are plenty of different other apps like those from Google, which is like the Google Maps or Google Calendar, where as well you can sign in with any Google account. So you'll be able to find it in here as well. So yeah, it depends on what exactly you're going after or what you're trying to achieve, but I really hope that I can help you out with it. Let me know in the comments below if it worked and subscribe for the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. So stay tuned for more and I'll see you later.